Hello everyone, Will here from BubVisuals, and today we're going to be doing another one of these unboxings. Now, for anybody who's ever seen one of my unboxings before, they generally don't seem to go too well because I never script them and we just see how it goes. And it's going to be the same case for this Phantom 3 one, so let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so I found my way into the box. Let's get rid of the egg carton. And so we got the drone. This is the drone. This is the controller. Now this is the only Wi-Fi controller, so it doesn't have live bridge, but you can still fly it a pretty long way and you still get a pretty good video stream. Next up, we got the propellers. And that's all in the box because I forgot to put the charger back in. To assemble it, all you do is screw the propellers on, and that should control and the drone both seem to be fully charged. Let's go get the iPad. Okay, so we got the iPad. If you haven't seen my iPad review yet, check it out. It's much better than this one. So now I think we should take it for a little test flight. Let's go. Right, so that's pretty much it. Before we get into the tests, thank you for watching. Even though this video has been terrible, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm done for now, and I'll see you guys in the next one.